Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add an image slider on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. If you want to edit a site, just go ahead and hover your mouse over it and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in your dashboard, if you go to the left side of your screen, right here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom you're going to find the option to edit the site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and after that you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically the editor for Wix. So just wait for it to load, and then you're going to be here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, right here you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize and design your site. So basically guys, once here, click on add element right here. And then right here, as you can see guys, you can add a text, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. So right now go to gallery. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find recommended, pro galleries, grid galleries, and then here you're going to find slider galleries. So go ahead and choose the slider type that you want. For example, this one. And then once you add it right here, you can add the images. Just click on change images. And then just go ahead and add your images from here. Click on add images. And then you can upload your images from here. Once you add them, go ahead and click on add to gallery and then click on done. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.